Right. Okay, guys, let's go to the paper book. So again, last week we started the discussion of Western Province Department of Education, grade 10, second term test 2019. I think last week we finished the first paper till question number 37. Am I correct? Right? We finished the first paper. So today, now I'm going to move to the second paper. So let's do the second paper. Right. So start the second paper. I want you to answer 2, 3, and 4. Just faster. 2, 3. At least answer for the 2 and 3. 2, 3. BS things I want. 2, 3, and 4. I'll give you like 8 minutes. Okay, guys, send me a thumbs up. I'm going to give you 8 minutes. Right. I want you to answer. Balabal ඉන්න එපා කරන්න කැරක් කැරක ඉන්න එපා. Right. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. අහන වෙලාවට උත්තර දෙන්න. 2, 3, and 4. Cost. I'm not going to write the answer. I'm just going to discuss the answer. Make sure to do. Hold on. Right? Once you're done, let's discuss the answers. Right. Okay, let's see. Right. Question number two, I'm going to discuss the two. What is a business? A business is an economic activity which manufacture or distribute goods and services, right, to fulfill human needs and wants, right? This is the term called business. A business is an economic activity, manufacture or distribute goods and service to fulfill human needs. Write two functions of a business. What are the two functions of business? Can anyone tell?
Earning profits,
Earning profit.
increasing customer satisfaction.
Those are the objectives of the business, right? They're asking about function.
Business development.
Sorry,
Business development.
business development. We can write like maintain account.
Satisfying human needs,
Sorry,
satisfying human needs and wants,
okay, which means we can write like providing a product or service, offering a product or service, right? Then maintain accounts, human resource management, right? Marketing, marketing. It is also function. State whether the following statements are true or false. Specialized knowledge and dedication of employees are opportunity for a business. False, because employees are internal. There is a positive thing in the internal environment. It is a strength. Human needs cannot be created while human needs cannot be created while bones are not essential to fulfill. What is the answer? It's true. Needs cannot be created and bones are not essential. Analyzing whether the business activities are conducted in an environmental friendly manner is an objective of the government. True. Taking risk and creating innovations with regard to the business is a factor of production called labor force. That is the term called entrepreneurship, right? It's about the owner, right? Next one. Foodland company goes to the farmlands and buy fresh vegetables and fruits from Rajarata farmers. They sell them through their own food city complexes, and they have special demand for these fruits and vegetables. Right, the interested parties in the foodland business. So, in respect of this case, so we can take customers, yes. Then farmlands suppliers, right? Sorry, right, farmlands, then suppliers, then uh, food city complex, right? Food city complex, that is the customer, right? So these are the things. Write the reason for the part you mentioned about interest in the business. You can write. So even you can add owner, right? To for increase for earning profits and development of the business. Likewise, you can write everything in the text, right? Surasena is an electrical engineer. He runs a manufacturing business of making CFL bulbs. He runs a few people as workers. He has a few people as workers, and he invented new machines to improve the production of his business. Write a fact of production of the business mentioned in the case and give an example. We can write entrepreneurship, Surasena, an electrical engineer. Write the full thing. Entrepreneurship, Surasena, an electrical engineer. That is the example. Right? Labor, you can see few peoples as workers. Yes, you can take suppliers. So no, supplies you can't take because supplies in here it's you can't. It's not categorized under fact of production. Then you can write capital. Capital is the CFL bulk. There's nothing for the land. Entrepreneurship, Surasena, an electrical engineer. Capital, CFL bulbs. And labor, few people as workers. Surasena invented a new machine to the business. What is the business environment described in the above statement? Surasena invested a new machine to improve the production. It is a strength, right? Strength, or you can invented a new machine to the business. What is the business environment described? It is the external, right? So it is a technological environment. Technological environment. Okay? External technological. Let's do the third one as well. What is mean by business environment? The environment in which the factors affecting to the businesses are activators. That is the term called business environment. The environment in which the factors affecting to the businesses are activated. Write an example of political environment factor, economic environment factor. Each political environment factor you can write budget policy, tax policy, fiscal policy, tax policy, infrastructure policy. Those are the political environment. Economic environment, you can write inflation, interest rates, right? Foreign exchange rate, savings, anything you can write. State whether the following statements are true or false. Private education institutes are examples of a service providing business. True. Employee of a business are an external environment factor while customers are internal environment factor. False. employees are internal, customers are. Changing the lifestyle of customer is a threat to the business. False. It is an opportunity. We can take the advantage. False. When a country's saving increase, the investment also increase. True. When the savings increase, the funds available for the investment is also increase. So it is true. Changes in different factors in the global environment will have both positive and negative impact on domestic businesses. According to the above statement, right, positive impacts. So domestic businesses can obtain quality raw materials, right? So foreign investment inflow to the business of the country, can find foreign markets, like negative impact on domestic businesses, creating a high competitive environment, right? So foreign large businesses entering to the market as competitors. Likewise, you can write. While watching the recording, write it. A sale girl who worked in the ready-made garment shop has complained to the divisional labor office of labor department that she was not paid her salary for 2 months. What is the business environment described in the above case? Legal environment. What is the legal act that gives power to the labor department to take the actions in regarding this matter? It is the Shop and Office Act. It is the Act, Shop and Office Act. If you need, you can write the Act number, Shop and Office Act number, you know, 14th of 1954. Shop and Office Act number 14 of 1954. Right? Finish up here and raise your hands. If you need anything, let me know. So we discuss 2 and 3, right? So 4 will be discussed next week. But I want to tell you, and just remember this Thursday and Friday you got the classes both, right? Friday also I'm going to finish. Thursday I'm going to start the uh, our petty cash book. Friday I hope to conclude. Then next Thursday we can go to the bank account and the bank account. Is it clear to you guys? Understand, right? So make sure to study everything up to here. Study, 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 and do the things. සමහර වැඩ කළා එවනෝ බලන්න නම් බෑ. ඉතින් මොනහරි කරන්න කරලා එතකොට තනියෙන් ගණන් හදන්න. දැන් ඔය කෑෂ් බුක් පෙන්ඩින් තව ගණන් දෙකක්. ඊට කෑෂ් බුක් with discounts එකේ පෙන්ඩින් ඒව හදන්න. Understand, right? So make sure to do it. Rest of the things I'll be covered on Thursday. Let's meet on Thursday. Thank you for the participation. Bye. Good night. God bless.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
So God bless.
Everyone.
Bye.